Okay, so first off, what we're going to do is start with our rotation for the tension, and we're going to do that opposite of you. So we're going towards the window, and we're going to rotate the tension spring on this one time per foot. So if we're going eight feet, approximately, we're going to do 8 rotations. This is 77 inches, so we're going to do 8 rotations on this one. So I'm going to start at the top and then start working my way around 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now what we got to do is hold on to this, because when you release it, it's going to release all the tension you just put on it. So I'm going to give it a little half turn. Now I'm going to fold it, set it into the bracket, the clutch side first with the smooth side facing down. And then I'm going to come over here and then slide the idle into place, into the bracket. So now that we have the tension set, we're going to set the strings. So we're going to start on the left side. I like to start on the left side. We're going to pull it up and around the tube through the backside. I'm going to give it a little bit of pull so the tension is set. Now that we have our tension set on the spring, what you want to do is make sure this chain link with the connection is up front. So that way when you're pulling the shade up, this doesn't get caught up in the clutch. So you want to make sure when the shade is in position and it's on the bottom, your connector needs to be in front on the chain. So now what we're going to do is adjust the strings for the tension. So we're going to make sure our screws are in front so we can see them. And all we're going to do is wrap this around the tube a couple of times. So I'm going to put that in 1, 2, make sure my tension is good still down there. And what I'm going to do is put the string working inside close to the screw as we possibly can. Now I'm going to wrap the cord around the screw the way I'm going to tighten it so I don't fray the string. So now I got that nice and tight. That's how that should look. I'm going to do the same thing, but opposite on the other side. I'm going to take this, wrap it around a couple of times. 2 times should be good. So now what I'm going to do is pull that tension so it's matching the other side. Get this closer to the screw with my strings working in towards the screw. Make sure my tension's set by pulling on it and pulling the strings together. And I'm going to wrap it around the same way the screw gets tightened. A couple of times, and I'm going to fasten that down. Now, we're going to check our shade operation. Pull it in. Just pulling up. Looking good. Pulling it down. And that's what the tension helps with, is keeping the shade intact while it's going down. And you're set.